Evaluate a plus b where a, b are greater than 0, root of modulus of x plus root of modulus of x plus a equals b only has 3 different real roots, x1, x2, x3, and x1 is less than, x2 is less than, x3 equals b. Let t equal x plus a over 2. Equation 1 can be written as root of modulus of t minus a over 2 plus root of modulus of t plus a over 2 equals b. Then equation 2 only has 3 roots. Tj equals xj plus a over 2. J equals 1, 2, 3. Let f of t equal root of modulus of t minus a over 2 plus root of modulus of t plus a over 2. We have f of minus t equals f of t. Thus, f of t is an even function, as equation 2 only has 3 different real roots. So t equals 0 must be a solution of equation 2. Substitute t equals 0 in equation 2. We have root of a over 2 plus root of a over 2 equals b. b equals 2 times root of a over 2 by simplifying the equation. So b equals root 2a. Equation 2 can be written as root of modulus of t minus a over 2 plus root of modulus of t plus a over 2 equals root 2a. When t is less than minus a over 2, equation 4 can be written as root of minus t minus a over 2 plus root of minus t plus a over 2 equals root 2a. Square both sides of the equation. We have minus t minus a over 2 plus 2 times root of minus t minus a over 2 times root of minus t plus a over 2 minus t plus a over 2 equals 2a. By simplifying the equation, we have minus 2t plus 2 times root of t squared minus a squared over 4 equals 2a. By rearranging the equation, we have root of 4t squared minus a squared equals 2a plus 2t. By squaring both sides of the equation, we can now write 4t squared minus a squared equals 4a squared plus 8at plus 4t squared. 4t squared on the left-hand side of the equation, and that on the right-hand side of the equation cancel. By rearranging the equation, we can now write minus 5a squared equals 8at. By rearranging the equation, we can now write t equals minus 5/8a. As the left-hand side of equation 4 is an even function, so t equals 5/8a is also a solution of the equation. Now we've found 3 real roots of equation 4, and therefore equation 2, t1 equals minus 5/8a, t2 equals 0, t3 equals 5/8a, b equals x3 equals t3 minus a/2 equals 5/8a minus a/2 equals a/8. From equation 3, b equals root 2a, so root 2a equals a/8. So 2a equals a squared over 64. Thus, a equals 128. b equals root 2a equals root of 2 times 128, which is 16. Hence, a plus b equals 128 plus 16 equals 144. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.